Hello everybody, it's another one. So I am actually just prepping to go on set. I'm leaving from where I live in Sydney for 3 weeks in Queensland, shooting on a film. So I'm going to be shooting unit stills and behind the scenes video, and just thought I'd make a little video just about what gear I'm taking with me, specifically for shooting on location, and I'll get into it. Here we go. Okay, so firstly I have a little contraption for putting my laptop in. So basically it's just a little box and folds down, but it just means that when I'm using my laptop on set, I can actually see what I'm doing. So I also now have a connection that actually plugs into my laptop, and it actually allows me to run power from a power bank that I have and power my laptop, because I'm not going to be anywhere near power. So to run power to my laptop and to keep my laptop running all day, I use this, and I use a power bank. So I'm going to show you the power bank in a second. But this is the first piece of gear that I use. This actually has a plate on the bottom. See, that has a plate, and that actually attaches to my tripod. So I actually set this up on my tripod, and then I have my laptop station all day. So this is my tripod, Sirui tripod. I think it was a couple of $100. Awesome ball head. It's amazing. Pretty sturdy. I like the legs that you can actually control, so it's not a clip, because clips can get loose, but these last a bit longer, I think, and they're a bit more reliable. So also I've got my Pelican Case, which I've already kind of shown. Well, I'm going to do a proper breakdown of that, but this actually will double as a Apple box for me, so I'll be able to sit on this on set and stay comfortable. And also, so one thing that I've actually done for this is I've actually put an Apple tag, an Airtag in there. So that just means that should somebody steal this or walk off with my bag, then I am going to be able to track it. So for $45, whatever it was, to have that little bit of insurance, just in case something happens, or even being able to track it if it gets lost when you check it in. Say if you were flying, I mean, this is for carry-on, so this is carry-on weight and size, so I can take this as a piece of carry-on. But yeah, suppose it got lost somehow, then I should be able to track it. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I was waiting for. Okay, here we go. So this is the power bank that you can run your laptop from. So specifically bought this one because you can run a laptop off of it. So it just means I can charge my phone, I can run my laptop, and I can also charge other things at the same time. So there you go. It's pretty chunky, pretty heavy, but yeah, and you can charge your phone on it as well. There you go, charging my phone right now. So this is actually going to run my laptop inside the little whatever it's called, what that is called. So this is my Seaport case. So this is the cable that goes into like that. That goes into my laptop, and then that can run my laptop on location. then this bolts down. That's pretty much it for my setup for shooting on location, when I'm on location shooting unit stills and BTS video for films and television. That's it.